Guangzhou Zongshiqing Decoration Materials Company Limited belongs to Guangzhou Dingrong Group. As a professional LED sign manufacturer, it was founded in 2011 and has 14 years of industry experience. It total has 11,500 square meters of production area and international production standards. With SGS International Certification, ISO 9001 Quality, Environment, Occupational Health System Certification etc. There are absolute advantages to serving international projects. As a one-stop customized supplier, we have professional design, production, and sales team. Our principles are quality first, service second, price third. We have already served customers in more than 40 countries, such as America, Canada, European countries, Australia, Asian countries, the Middle East, African countries, etc. We are skilled at outdoor signs and overall decorative materials for gas stations, and can provide one-stop services including DI and SI design, steel structure design, production, installation, and after-sales service. Gas station products covering steel structure, roofs, ceilings, LED lights, canopies, canopy logo, convenience stores, oil price LED screens, column decorations, pump light boxes, anti-collision columns, oil dispenser islands, entrance and exit signs, service boxes, etc. One-stop services from A to Z for gas station constructions, including on-site installation guidance, making it easier for you to build new gas stations. All electronic signs have passed CE, UL, RoHS certification, promise to complete 48 hours of testing before packaging, to ensure product quality, and have more than 1-year warranty. Build your ideal gas station or custom LED signs, we are here. Looking forward to more cooperation with you.